In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an auto-blogging website with Lovable AI. We're going to set this up step by step, so follow along carefully and you'll have a fully working auto blog by the end. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Lovable in your browser. Once the dashboard loads, find the main prompt box sitting in the center of the screen and click inside it to activate the cursor. Right next to the Send button, you'll see a mode toggle. Make sure that toggle is set to Build, because we want Lovable to generate a full website for us. Now, grab the build prompt. Feel free to copy and paste the prompt from the pinned comment below this video. Once you have it on your clipboard, paste it directly into that main prompt box. Take a moment to make sure the entire prompt landed properly inside the field. When you're ready, click Send Message in the prompt box to submit it. Lovable will then take you to a review screen. At the bottom of that screen, click Submit to confirm everything and kick off the build. If a Lovable Cloud or Lovable AI permission prompt appears asking for access, go ahead and click Allow in that prompt. In some cases, the permission prompt will group several actions together into one window. If you see that, click Allow All, so nothing gets blocked during generation. Now keep an eye on the Lovable progress panel while it works through creating the app. This part takes a few minutes, so we'll skip ahead. Wait patiently until the live preview opens up on the right side and shows the Trend Pulse Auto Blog homepage. Once it loads, scan the preview and confirm that you can see at least one visible blog post card on the page. Next, we're going to test the auto blogging pattern. Inside the generated website navigation at the top, click Admin. The admin page will load and you should confirm that it shows the auto blogging schedule card. Then click the Generate Demo Post Now button on the admin page. Wait a few seconds for the success message to appear, or for a new postcard to show up on the page. Once that's done, go back to the website navigation and click Home. On the home page, confirm that you now see at least 3 blog posts displayed. Click the newest blog post card on the home page to open it. Confirm that the individual post page opens correctly and includes a title at the top, a category label, an image area, and the full article body underneath. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now we're ready to publish the auto blog. Head over to the top right corner of the Lovable editor and click Publish. A Publish modal will open. Click inside the website address field at the top of that modal. Type a short subdomain that you'd like to use for your auto blog. If Lovable tells you the address is unavailable, simply add 2 numbers to the end of that subdomain to make it unique, then try again. Once the address is accepted, click Continue. On the next screen, leave the website access setting on public, or anyone with the link, so visitors can actually reach your blog. Then click Continue again to move forward. Review the site title and description shown in the Publish modal, and make sure they read the way you want. After reviewing, click Run Security Check in the Publish modal. Wait patiently for the security check to finish running. When it completes, click Continue. Then click Publish in the Publish modal to push the site live. Wait until Lovable shows the confirmation that the app is now live. Finally, on the confirmation screen, click the published lovable.app URL to open your new auto-blogging website in the browser. Your published lovable.app page should now show a working auto-blogging website with a modern blog homepage, category navigation, at least 3 posts, and individual post pages. Your Lovable project will also include the admin page with the daily auto-blogging schedule and the Generate Demo Post Now test button, confirming the pattern is set up and running properly.